Good morning, traders. This is Rick Majors here at Opteck.com. Welcome to today's daily market briefing. Now, starting off the day, we just got our numbers in here from the manufacturing PMI on the British pound. 57.5 over a expectation of 56.7. This drove the pound up pretty well for today. And this, I think, is going to culminate in a pretty good day for the pound. We'll see some retractions a little bit later on, but on the overall, we should be seeing the pound continuing to make those steps forward that we've been seeing it make in the last couple of weeks and throughout June, as it's been really coming back from that slump that it's been in for the last couple of months. Other big event that we have today also is the ISM manufacturing PMI. This is a pretty well-known U.S. dollar announcement. We've got an expectation of 55.6 over a previous of 55.4. We are seeing good things usually happening economy-wise in the United States. The United States itself actually seems to have been doing pretty well manufacturing in industrial terms. It's actually foreign companies that are U.S. owned that have been showing lacking signs of manufacturing capability. We've seen some profit slumps, especially in a lot of Chinese-owned companies, and also companies in Europe that have American interests in them have been taking a bit of a hit as well. But American-owned interests so far that are in the United States seem to be doing pretty well, so we should be expecting July to be a pickup month for the United States economy. In other news, also stock-wise, one of the things that some of you should probably know is that Barclays has been accused of what's called dark pool trading, which means they were trading on the market and not in it. Basically taking the same kind of transactions that they usually would for any position, however, not actually risking any of the money, in other words, not directly investing into the market. Therefore, they could have manipulated the results towards their clients, which obviously in terms of international banking is not allowed. Also, this would something that, I mean, basically to hash it out in a way that, you know, it would be able to understand without getting off financial terms about it, is that basically if you are doing dark pool trading, you're basically creating your own little trading place where you and your buddies can trade whatever you want without actually telling anyone. Also, other than that, another illegal activity on the banking sector, BNP Paribas has received the largest fine in financial history of 9 billion euros for illegal transactions. So again, these are a couple places that, you know, if you want to do some trading today, Barclays and BNP are definitely things you're going to want to be taking for a put for the end of the day at least. Last thing so far today, gold had managed to actually spike to a several-month high last night. That was quite unexpected, and even though that the sentiment towards the gold market right now is a little bit dry simply because of the conflict and what's going on and the whole calamity starting to die down a little bit as it takes a backseat to more pressing economic matters. However, the gold market did manage to spike up, but as usual what we're seeing here is these rallies are usually orchestrated and they tend to be followed by a sell-off afterwards. The price never seems to be able to push past the 1350 to 1380 range. Now, coming up for the rest of the week, just remember, guys, that as of, and let me bring the calendar down here a little bit more. As of Wednesday, we're starting with the ADP non-farm employment change, and then on Thursday also with the U.S. dollar non-farm employment change. The reason why it is on Thursday is because Friday is 4th of July, bank holiday in the United States, barbecues, fireworks, and a lot of unnecessary drinking. So, what this means is that you need to get yourselves ready for a very action-packed Thursday. This is something that you're going to want to pay a lot of attention to, and you're going to want to make sure that you are completely ready for it, because as of 1:30 p.m. the market is going to light up like a drunken piñata. And we have unemployment claims, unemployment rate, trade balance, non-farm employment change, ECB press conference, and the trade balance for Canada all coming out at the same time. It's going to be wild and crazy. Keep your eyes out for that, and more information will be coming out with tomorrow as we know more about how the situation is. As we can see so far, by the way, the ADP is looking to be pretty good. The non-farm itself is not looking so good, but these numbers will and can and will be changed in the next day or so. So keep your eyes open. I'll be back with a briefing tomorrow, same time, and we'll talk a little bit more about it as it comes up. But on the overall today, what you have to look at is just a couple of announcements, some smooth trading. Again, in line with what I said about the ADP and the NFP. If you don't see too much happening today, it's okay. A lot of people are saving their guns and their ammunition for Wednesday and Thursday. So with what we have today, keep an open eye, but most of the attention on the market is going to be focused on Wednesday and Thursday. Anyway, guys, that's what I had for today's daily market briefing. Thanks for coming in and listening. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom of the page if you'd like to stay tuned with us Monday through Thursday at 9 a.m. GMT London time. Anyway, this is Rick Majors from Opteck.com, wishing you a happy trading day.